Look at how pretty. I slapped that snack dab right in the middle of my mess. These are all of the elements you're going to need. This is what you're going to make as a mess when you're done. Just thought I'd show you. I think it's funny. This is what we're going to need. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, I'm trying to get ready here. Here's all my paints, and I kind of messed up. I didn't shake my yellow. Craft Smart is not my favorite paint, and that's why. But it's not bad. But here's all my oranges. So that's going to be my sunset. So these are my colors. I like to have a little, there's my cream, my white. And Craft Smart, see, the white's fine when you shake it. I didn't shake it at first. That's why it did that. It's my bad. Really, that's my bad. Because see the difference between, that's folk art, not folk arts. And there's deco art. See deco art? See the difference in the consistency? Now that's, I gotta light a candle. That's why that lighter is there. I'm missing a candle. Anyways, there's my reds and pinks and stuff. So there's all my colors, greens, my greens. Okay, so there we go, and some of my brushes and stuff. So there's, I can't find the brand of cotton, but it's 100% cotton that I have here that I'm gonna use for the cloth, for Jesus's cloth. Okay, so this little piece of driftwood I got at the beach in onset, and so you just break it off. And this piece of wood, it's a wood canvas that I got at the dollar store. I use E6000 and it works awesome. You just glue it, you're gonna set it aside, let it sit there for a while, let it glue. It does take a little while to dry. Which I am so impatient, I must admit. But you just, tape the back of that. I love how these canvases just hang so nicely. I've done some oil paintings on them. And they're great. I'm going to paint with acrylic. I'm using acrylics. So I paint with the acrylic, and I'm going to speed this up for you. And so this will be a nice quick, anybody can paint little flowers. Just take your time, have fun with it. It's very healing. It's a lot of fun, and just have fun with it. Enjoy and play. It's playtime. Okay, so this is nice and painted. So I'll put that over here. So this is what I got. I got gloss super heavy gel. And I cut some pieces off of this cotton cloth. You just gotta figure, about how long I'm gonna hang it like this. Whoops. So you gotta figure out about how long, like that. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna, a little bit. You don't want it on the very ends because you want that bottom to be kind of like, I mean you can, but you want the ends to kind of be like down. So now, just wet. Okay. So now, too much on my hands. A little too much. It's a little too long, I think.
I think it's a little too long, but that's okay. I can cut it. You can cut it. You'd rather have it too long than not long enough. So you want to get it. I don't know what that is from the thing. I want that to pinch that. Pinch that. So it takes some playing with. A little playing around with it. And I like the way it looks raggedy. That's not a bad thing. There we go. Perfect. Now where's my scissors? There we go. Now you just let that dry.
Okay, here we go. So I'm making these little ones over here. But anyways, all we're going to do is glue that on there. And there you have it. I'm just going to glue it really good. You're going to use a lot of this glue. And it glues, this stuff is amazing. It glues really good. I think that should be good on there. Just want to make sure. There we go. You might need to tape it to make sure it stays down, because some of it, like this might fall down. Oh, depending on the piece of driftwood. It has to be driftwood. That old rugged cross. That old rugged cross. Okay, so this one is kind of sticking up, but I wonder if I should have glued it down this way. Huh. You know, it'd be pretty as some fake flowers around here. You could always do that too. That's like a really good idea, actually. I might just do that. Let's do that. I have some. I think we're going to do that. I have some moss. We're going to add to this. I think I'm going to use a different kind of glue, though. I don't know. This glue is really the best. So then, kind of want. Oh, shoot. Spill it on here. So it's going to be pretty. Just a little bit. That's all we need. Just a little bit. There we go. I'm going to move over that in there.
I'm getting this glue on my fingernails. I have new pink gloves too. I should be wearing. Oh no. I'm going to the nail salon anyway. There we go. We'll let that dry. I'll go get my nails done and come back. Let that dry. So that ought to be pretty. A little bit more green under here. Hide the glue. Ay, ay, ay. Hide that glue. Should I put more green all under here? No, I'm not gonna. Well, I don't know. What do you think? Nah. No, it's a painting. I'll just do a little bit. I want to keep it to be more. That'll be fine, just like that. Okay. That'll be okay, right? Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay. Looks nice, right? Looks nice. I like it. I think it needs a little bit more like white flowers maybe over in here so it's even. So it comes across. I think I'm gonna do that. But other than that, it looks pretty. So I think that'll make a nice gift for the church. What do you think? Thank you for watching.